Are you somebody who has weak hips, or have you just had a hip operation or a hip replacement? Have you problems going out for a walk or a run? Or do you feel you've got just weak hips when you play any sport, things like racket sports? Well, today I'm going to teach you 3 simple exercises that will help to strengthen your hips. I'm Gavin Noble from Gavin Noble Physiotherapy here in Lisburn, and you're watching the 10X Physio Channel. This is the channel where we give you all the best top tips and tricks to help lead a healthier life. And today we're going to look at 3 simple exercises that are going to help strengthen your hips. Okay, so this first strengthening exercise for the hip is a hip flexion. So from here, we're just lying onto our back, legs out straight. I'm going to do my right leg, so I'm going to let my right foot just gently turn to the side, and from there we're doing some leg lifts. So we're lifting up, down, okay, and from here we're going to do 8 on each side. So over to my left side, the toe turns out and we lift up, and we're working just in at the front of the hip here. So again, we're going to do 8 on the left side now. We've done 8, we move back to the right hand side, do 8 on the right, 8 on the left, and then our final third set, again it's 8 lifts on the right and then 8 lifts on the left. Okay, with this exercise you only need to do once a day. So this hip strength exercise again is just for the glutes at the back here. So I'm lying on my side. Now I've let my lower leg bend here. That just helps to give me a little bit more stability. My top hand's just resting just in front. Again, just helps to increase that stability. We just want these hips to work here. All we're doing is we're lifting that leg up and down. So we lift up and down. Again, everybody's got a different range of movement in their hips. So again, whatever's comfortable for you, it's just to lift up and down. So we're going to do a set of 8 here, and then once you have done 8 on one side, you'll just swap over and turn over onto the other side, do 8 on that side, and you want to do 3 sets in total on each leg. So that's 3 sets of 8 repetitions on each leg, and you can do that once a day. Okay, so this last exercise is our hip bridge. So this is our start position. So we're on our back, knees are bent, feet are flat. We can bring those heels close towards the buttocks. From here, we're tucking our tailbone underneath. So lower back does flatten onto the mat that I'm on here at the minute. And then from here, we start to peel each vertebra up and away from the mat. So we come to rest just on the shoulder blades. And then as we come down, we place each vertebra back down on the mat and back to our start position. So again, tailbone tucks underneath. So I'm pressing through my heels. I'm squeezing my glutes together. I'm lifting my waist up to the ceiling. And then again, we come down. So it's a nice controlled movement. And we do 8 of these. So again, as we do these 8, remember all those important points of the tailbone tucking underneath. We're pressing through the heels, squeezing those glutes together. Again, we can keep our lower abdominals engaged as well, so you can pull the belly button just in gently in towards the spine. Like so. Okay, and again, remember, we do 8 of these, short rest, then you do another 8, short rest, then final 8, and that is your 3 sets of 8 done for the day. And last thing, I just want to remind you, if you have any pain or any problems, if you feel any of the exercises cause any pain or make any pain worse, then please stop. Please speak to your health professional who will help to guide you and advise you on what to do next. But those are our strengthening exercises. And there you have it. That's our top 3 simple strength exercises that we use with people here in our clinic to help strengthen their hips. If you like what you've seen in the video, please feel free to like the video, share it with your friends and family, or somebody who you know that needs some simple exercise to help strengthen their hips. Again, also, if you have any comments, please add them into the comments box. We do reply to them all, so please feel free to do that. And again, there are other videos on the site here which you can use to help benefit your hips. I'm Gavin Noble from Gavin Noble Physiotherapy. You're watching the 10X Physio Channel, and I'm looking forward to seeing you again in the next video.